Choosing the right paint type isn't just about the chemicals. It's about understanding your market, your goals, and how to deliver a product that stands out. Now, let me show you exactly how to make that decision step by step so you can start building a profitable paint business today. Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone serious about starting or scaling their paint manufacturing business. How to choose the right paint type for your business goal. Before we get into it, let me quickly remind you that this is part of our Vlogmas 31 days challenge where you can win free access to my complete paint production course. Like this video, comment paint production 31 lucky winners and subscribe to be eligible. Let's get in today's lesson. First, a quick recap from yesterday. Understanding the core chemical component of paint is the foundation of this process. Whether it is water-based paint or oil-based paint, knowing your pigment, binders, solvents, and additives gives you the confidence to create high-quality product. Now that you have got that knowledge, it is time to talk about the bigger picture, choosing the right paint types based on your business goals. So, we have market demand. So, research your market very well to know what types of paint are most popular. I keep saying this. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you always hear me talk about research, research, research. Yes, which is your market demand. You have to research your target market to know what types of paint are most popular within your locality or your country. Examples: in residential areas, emulsion paints are in high demand for interior walls and exterior walls, both ceiling, while contractors might prefer industrial grade coating. So you have to know which paint is trading. That is why market demand is very, very important. And then we have cost of production. So start with paints that have a lower production cost if you are on a budget, please. Example of these paints are your emulsion paint. They are more affordable to produce compared to specialized paints like metallic or texture coating. You understand? So if you want to start selling quickly, you have to consider the cost of production and know the type of paint you be giving out to your retailer or your customers. We also have the skill level. You understand? So choosing a paint type that matches your current expertise is very, 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 very important. You have to start with water-based paint like emulsion, which are easier to produce and require few resources. So when you have the idea on how to produce this emulsion paint, you can advance to other types of paint, which will not make you to be afraid when producing all these advanced type of paint. And then we have the niche opportunities. You have to explore your niche market for higher profit margin, such as your texture paint, your metallic paint, and industrial coating. You understand? Your texture paint is for decorative finishes, while your metallic paint is for luxury project, and then your industrial coating is for durability and which is focused on specific clients. Then we also have the target customers. You have to identify your ideal customers. Are they homeowners? Are they contractors or industrial users? And you have to choose a paint type that serves their need. Yes, please. When you know your target customers, if you are talking to homeowners, these are the people that you want to be reaching out to. You have to know the type of paint these homeowners are interested. If they are contractors, you know every contractors are they usually go for a low budget paint. You understand? So understanding your target customers will also enable you know how to price the selling of your paints and of course know how much income you're going to be receiving at the end of the day. So we have example like we have the satin or the slick paint. They are great for premier residential projects. Why epoxy coating are preferred for industrial application. You understand? So you wouldn't say you are going into epoxy coat paint production and expecting an own owner to buy from you. No, you know that this epoxy coating is specialized for industrial application. You understand? So For beginners, we have the water-based paint, which is your emotion paint, easy to produce, high demand, and cost effective. Yes, very, very cost effective. Your emotion paint is very, very easy to produce and cost effective. Satin or sleek paint, which are your washable and attractive. They are perfect for middle class homes or offices. You understand? So under your intermediate paint, we also have the oil based paint, which are durable and glossy, great for exterior and wood application. You understand? Then under your advanced um process, we have the texture or decorative paint, which the niche market are higher in margin. You have to know all this process. Then under the same advanced procedure, we have the texture or decorative paint, which I just mentioned now. Then we have the metallic paint, and then we have the industrial coating. The metallic paint are luxury appeal for higher end clients. And then we have which are the industry coating, which are your epoxy or acrylic paint, are targeted at larger scale project or industrial applications. You understand? So you have to know all these process so you don't make mistake in your production process. So if this breakdown is helpful and helping you clarify your business goal, hit the like button and comment paint production 31 lucky winners below to let me know. Remember, we are selecting daily winners for our Vlogmas challenge. Stay engaged to increase your chances of winning a free spot in my complete paint production course. So choosing the right paint type is not just about what's easier to make. It's about aligning your production with what your market wants. Start small, focus on quality, and gradually expand as you gain experience and resources. And don't forget to research, test your formulation, and get feedback from your target audience. This will help you refine your product and stand out in the market. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and stay active in the comment to continue learning and participate in our Vlogmas 31 days challenge. Let's make 2025 the year you succeed in paint manufacturing. So keep creating and bye for now.